today I am going to be showing you guys how to make chicken feet. I know that a lot of people don't like chicken feet. They think it's gross, like pig feet, but we like them. Me and my husband like them. They turn out really good, really tasty. This is just chicken feet. This is not like a soup or anything. So if you guys are interested, just stay tuned and we'll get right into it, okay? So I already have my chicken feet. They're already washed and prepped. I'm going to go ahead and put those in the pot. Okay, and that's about 1.5 pounds. Okay, and then I have 1 bell pepper cut up here. It doesn't matter how you cut them up, the onions and bell peppers, because basically they're going to cook down. It's just for flavor. Okay, so I have 1 bell pepper there cut up. Then I have 1 onion here cut up. Okay. And then I have 4 cups of chicken broth here. And this is the kind that I use, the better than bouillon. So I just measured this out to make 4 cups. So it's 4 teaspoons. Okay, I'm just going to pour that in. Okay, and then this is not going to be enough water, so I'm just going to go ahead and add 2 more cups. These things take a while to cook. Okay, and then I know a lot of people don't add this to theirs, but I add turmeric to mine. I just don't like that they are like gray when they're done cooking. So turmeric adds flavor and it adds color. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of turmeric. Okay. And then I'm just going to add a few shakes of salt. Okay. And that's it. It is that easy. So all you have to do, we're going to put it on high heat to get it boiling. And then we're going to turn it down to like low medium just for it to simmer. It's probably going to take maybe about 2 hours or so, maybe 1.5 hours to 2 hours for it to cook. So I'm going to put the timer on for an hour, and then I'm going to come back and check it. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like then. Okay, let me stir this up a little bit. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on it, let it start boiling, and then we'll come back and check on it in about an hour. Okay? Alright guys, so it's been an hour, and I'm going to show you guys what they look like now. Okay? Let me taste the juice, just to make sure we don't need any more salt. Tastes good. So I'm just going to add a little bit more salt. Just a little bit. Okay. Stir that up. And then I'm going to continue to cook these probably for another 30 minutes. And then we're going to have some rice and we're going to have some cornbread fritters with this. So after they're all done, I'll come back and I'll show you guys what they look like then. Okay? Okay, y'all. So Destiny just got out of school and I am getting ready to show her what I'm cooking. And let's see what she thinks. Alright, come over here so you can see. Okay. Maybe let's get you the stool.
Yeah, I'm not a little bit sure. Yeah.
You know what this is?
No.
It's chicken feet.
Oh my gosh.
That's what's for dinner.
Yeah.
Are you gonna eat some?
Probably.
You think you're gonna eat some? You are? Okay.
I don't know.
Alright, we'll see. Alright, you can get down.
That's kind of weird. It's kind of weird. Where did you get chicken feet?
Alright guys, so they're done. I cooked them for about 1 hour and 45 minutes. They're starting to pull away from the bone now, so you can see. Okay. So they are done. They look delicious. I'm gonna cook some rice and some cornbread fritters with it. So it's gonna be good. All right, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.